Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I am bringing you today my April favorites. I'm really excited to share with you some amazing products that I have been loving in the month of March. They are very fresh, springy products that are giving like a nice glow to my face that I'm really enjoying. Most of them are just like not new things. They're things that I've just shopped my stash for. Y'all, I have so much makeup. It's getting like completely ridiculous. I mean, we've had this conversation on this channel before, like who needs this amount of makeup? But I'm really having a lot of fun shopping my stash, looking for stuff that I already have and using the stuff that I already have. And just really, I want to share some of those things with you. So the first thing that I want to share with you is the Christian Dior Backstage Foundation. You guys, this is amazing. Let me just say, I got this, I think either in December or last April, and at the VIB sale probably. And I was using it with like a Real Techniques beauty sponge. And I'm here to tell you that the beauty sponges are not equal. Beauty Blender is definitely like a superior sponge to the Real Techniques sponges. Like I was not loving this foundation when I was using the Real Techniques sponge, but I just pulled out a Beauty Blender the other day for some reason and I used it with that foundation. I cannot tell you how perfect and flawless it made my skin look. Like it is just, I don't know, there's something about the Beauty Blender that is just better. And it looked so incredible with this foundation. Like the skin was perfected. It was just perfectly blended into my skin. It looked so natural. I love this foundation. It's like light to medium. You could probably build it up to medium, but I use it light. I just like beauty blend it around my face in a really light layer because I don't like to wear heavy foundation. And it just perfects my skin. It just takes away the redness, makes it look all even. And it is absolutely beautiful, but especially with a beauty blender. Cannot recommend that combination to you guys enough. The next thing I'm going to share with you is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I got this a few months ago, but I just picked it up in March and started using it. And the combination of this and this, it looks fantastic. It's what I'm wearing on my skin right now. The shade 12 gives me, like, it covers up my blue and it just gives me a little bit of brightness under my eyes. And I think it is such a fantastic concealer. It's like $6. I would say it's light to medium coverage. It's not a full coverage concealer. It's nothing like Tarte Shape Tape. But for my blue under my eyes, it does a great job of like concealing the blue. And it's a great concealer. I highly recommend this. If you guys have not checked it out, please do so. You'll love it. The next two things I want to show you guys are a couple of cheek products. You might have heard in a recent video me talking about the Daniel Sandler watercolor blushes. Well, I picked up a couple of more of them, and I've been using them all month, in the month of March. Absolutely love them. I love the shade Flush. It is a beautiful pink, just you look healthy blush. And then a more peachy version is Angel. Neither of them have shimmer. Both of them are kind of matte. You know, Angel, it doesn't look like it's got any shimmer in it. For sure, Flush is matte. I don't think Angel has much of a shimmer to it. Let me verify. Actually, it does look like it has a tiny bit of shimmer, but on my cheeks, I don't feel like that translates. I don't feel like you see any shimmer on my cheeks. I do have one that I bought from a site called Beauty in the Boutique. A lady named Katie runs it. She does makeup tutorials. She sells makeup on her site, and she has one that's very glowy, and it's more glowy than this one. I'll link it all below for you, but you can get matte colors, you can get slightly shimmery colors and more shimmery glowy colors, and I just think that these are the most beautiful product. They're gonna last you your entire life. You drop like one teeny drop on your hand and you use it on both of your cheeks and your lips and you're done. It takes the tiniest bit of product, they set, they last all day. It is just an amazingly beautiful product that I heard originally like many years ago from Lisa Eldridge, but it took me a while to just get around to trying them out, and I highly recommend them. I will link them below in the description box for you. And then since it's spring, I've just been into like the glowy cheek look. And I shopped my stash and I found Stereo Rose, MAC Stereo Rose Skin Finish. You guys, this is such an old product, but it's beautiful. And this is what it looks like on my finger. And it is just a gorgeous blush topper. Like you can put it on top of like any blush and it just makes your cheeks look so healthy and glowy. It's not stroby, it just looks healthy and beautiful. And every time I wear it, people are like, your skin is so amazing. And I'm like, it's just makeup. But it does work and it looks absolutely stunning. The next product that I want to share with you, I hauled at the Sephora VIB sale and I am so excited. I want to make sure that you all know about this product, and it is the Dior blush in the shade 999. I don't know what I'm gonna release first, my haul video from the Sephora sale or my April makeup favorites, but I'm gonna reiterate what I said, which is, it is the most intimidating looking color. It is like a blue red and it is like red. But it is so gorgeous, you guys. It's what I have on my cheeks today. It is the most beautiful, it gives you the most beautiful flush of color. I tapped my brush on it, not a synthetic brush, like a natural hair brush. I got some blush on it, tapped it on my cheeks, and this is the beautiful color that I got. It just looks so healthy. I mentioned in my Sephora wishlist video that I kind of was looking for something that looked like a princess glow. That sounds so ridiculous, but you know when you see the princesses at Disney, they have like that beautiful red cheek glow? That was kind of what I had in mind. I don't know why. We were at Disney recently, and I think that's what got it on my brain. And I was looking at the NARS blush in, what is the name of it? Exhibitionist, Exhibition A, Exhibit A. I'll link it on the screen below. But it has more of an orange undertone, and I wasn't sure that an orange undertone blush would look amazing on me. I tend not to do well with orange colors, and I tend to do better with kind of blue toned reds. And this Dior 999 is a blue toned red. This would look amazing on any skin tone, because if I can wear it, you guys, anybody can wear it all the way up to the darkest skin tones. Stunning. It's got like a slightly pearlescent sheen. I think you can pick it up on my cheek. I'm picking it up in the viewfinder. It is so beautiful, and I cannot recommend it enough. I think this is like the most highly underrated blush on earth. So, totally a favorite. Another blush I wanted to share with you that's glowy and beautiful is this Milani Baked blush in the shade Rosa Romantica. I think you have to get this on the Milani website, but look at this, you guys. It's just got this beautiful peachy sheen, and I've been using it like in combination with another blush, and it, like the Stereo Rose, gives just a beautiful glow to your cheeks. The Stereo Rose, you can see, is much more of a brownie pink, and this one is more of like a light peachy pink, but it looks so beautiful on the cheeks if you just sweep it over your blush. Loving it, you guys. The Milani blushes are so good. Everybody needs one. Next, I wanted to show you my favorite eyeliner for the month, which is my Smashbox Always Sharp in the shade Penny Lane. It's like a penny color. It's like a bronzy, shimmery eyeliner. It is what I lined my eyes with today. And it's just a really natural looking brown that's like not too stark. It's much lighter than Sumatra or the Raven, the black shade. And I just think it's a really beautiful, natural color that enhances your eyes. I love it. I picked up another one. Was it at Ulta? I think I hold another one at Ulta because I'm going to run out of this one soon. So I picked up another one at Ulta when I had my 20% off coupon. Love it. Next thing I wanted to show you is an old product, but that I rediscovered, and it is this Ka-Brow Benefit Brow product. It's awesome, you guys. I wear the shade 4. I rarely stray from my Anastasia Brow Wiz because I think it is the perfect color for me, but I think that this actually might be like faster and easier to apply. It's like a pomade, and it's got like a little brush in the top, and you just like pull it out, dip it. I do it on the ends of my brows, and then I put what's left over at the front, and I just think it's like the fastest, easiest product. It stays in my eyebrows all day, and I think it looks great. Like, I love it. So I've been using this every day in March. Love, love, love this product. I think it's fabulous. If you guys have not tried it, they also have, like at Ulta, the little bitty ones, which is what I would get because nobody's ever going to go through one that is this size. It's so much product. So I would go for the little one, which I think is like $12. So check out Ulta. I'll link it below, the little bitty ones, and you can try the product for really inexpensive. I have been wearing a quad of 4 eyeshadows this month that is so old. I've mentioned this on my channel before, but I have to mention it again because it's what I'm wearing on my eyes and I love it. And it is this MAC quad that has got, I'm gonna have to look up this shade for you. I actually think this is Makeup Geek. This one is Makeup Geek Creme Brulee. This is Brune from MAC. This is Woodwinked from MAC. And this one is Honey Lust from MAC. And that is the combination of things that I have on my eyes. Woodwinked is, as you guys know, as I've mentioned on my channel before, Woodwinked and Honey Lust are like my 2 most used eyeshadows ever, like in my life. Like before I started like buying makeup in ridiculous amounts, these were the 2 eyeshadows that I used. I used those 2 on my eyes all through residency, like just panned them, repurchased them. They are the most beautiful 2 colors. And if you add Brune a little bit to the outer V, I truly, if I could only probably pick 4 eyeshadows to wear like in the world, these would be the 4. I think this is the most fantastic combination. I will link them all for you below so that you can check them out if you want to. The next thing I want to share with you is what I'm wearing on my lips. I totally forgot how much I love the Clinique Chubby Pencils. They are so good. The one that I'm wearing right now is in Chunky Cherry. So I don't wear red lipstick. You guys know, like, do you ever see me in red lipstick? Never. I just feel like it's so stark, but these are like a fantastic way to wear a red lipstick because it's like, you can see it's like totally red. but it gives you more of like a bitten red look. And I think that the combination of this with my Dior blush in 999, you guys, this red, isn't it like a princessy look? I know I'm 43, but I don't know. I want to look like a princess. I just do. And I feel like that combination gives me the healthiest, most natural kind of red bitten lips and red bitten cheeks. And it just looks so great. There are other colors in this which are fantastic too. One of them is Curvy Candy, which is more of like a, I'm gonna give you a swatch here, more of like a pink shade. And then I have one, there it is right there. One that is a more mango-y color. I think it might be called Mango. I will link it in the description box below, but it's a fantastic color for the summer, just like beautiful. And if you're looking for a less expensive alternative to those, the Neutrogena Moisture Color Sticks are an awesome alternative. Let me swatch this one for you. They're very much a similar formula. This one is in the shade Pink Grapefruit 140. And they're just beautiful chubby sticks, and you can get this one at the grocery store. They have awesome colors in these. I have quite a few of them. Super comfortable, super moisturizing. Just give your lips that like healthy color, and I love them. So the last thing I want to share with you in this month's favorites is this product called Hair Feel. You guys have seen in at least 100 videos of mine that I like always have these like tiny little baby hairs that are like sticking up right here. I've had them my whole life. My daughter has them. It's just like, it's not broken hair, I just get baby hairs right here, and they never grow out, but they are in the way and they look ridiculous like when they're not like sprayed down or like attached to my head somewhere. And I have always used the clear Maybelline mascara to brush down those flyaways, and it's such an inexpensive way to do that. And then I saw this, which was only $12 on like Instagram. It's called Hair Feel, and I decided to try it, and it works maybe a little bit better than the Maybelline clear mascara. Both of them do the same thing basically. So if you don't feel like ordering something offline and you just want to go to like CVS and buy it, you could do the Maybelline clear mascara. I think this one may hold a teeny bit better, but I really like this product. Like, I used it over here and I feel like it just took care of all the little flyaways so that I don't look crazy in these videos. And it's just a really, really nice product. Like, you can, if you look at the Instagram post, they have the girls like brushing up like pieces of hair that are like hanging down on their neck. It does have really, really nice hold, maybe a little bit better hold than the mascara. So really like it. It does come just like a mascara. It's got like a mascara wand, see? And it just brushes down those flyaways. Great product, $12. Just decided to try it off the Instagram post, and I really have been enjoying it. So you guys, I think that is everything that is in my favorites. I hope that you guys like this video. I love favorites videos. I love sharing with you guys what I'm enjoying at the present time. I am so excited about all these products. I think they give the most beautiful, healthy, flawless skin glow for the spring and summer months. And share with me what your favorites were down below in the comments. I'm interested to hear. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your schedule today to join me for this video. I hope everybody's doing well. And you have not subscribed, please do so. It is free and you will be notified each time I post a new video. Also, don't forget to like this video. That will help me get seen in the YouTube algorithm, which is very complicated. I don't understand it. But everybody have an awesome day, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.